Welcome to the YouTube video about UNB's investigation into allegations of academic fraud against a former high-profile PhD student. We'll be talking about the 203 allegations of academic misconduct that were made against Doug Mastriano's 2013 dissertation about SGT. Alvin York. Last fall, Doug Mastriano was widely known for his active role in the movement to overturn Donald Trump's 2020 election defeat. But it was his academic credentials that were called into question when several scholars made the aforementioned allegations. In response, UNB officials conducted preliminary assessments and reviews of the school's policies on awarding doctoral degrees, though they've remained tight-lipped on the details of their findings. It was James Gregory, an instructor and PhD candidate at the University of Oklahoma, who documented the 203 allegations of academic misconduct. After submitting a formal complaint, Gregory received a letter from UNB's Vice President of Research, David McGee, stating that a formal investigation would be conducted in accordance to their responsible conduct and research policy. To investigate the allegations, UNB has appointed 3 professors from outside institutions to form an investigation committee. The committee has 60 days to submit their findings and recommendations to David McGee, though the university's policy states that their confidential report will not be released to the public. Still, it's unclear whether the committee will recommend any disciplinary actions if the misconduct is validated. The main problem with Mastriano's 500-page paper, as reported by UNB professor and examining board member, Jeffrey Brown, was that it was based off of a 1928 autobiography which has been called into question for being a simplistic portrait of York's life. Sources have also indicated that Mastriano's archaeological dig in France was ill-executed, with 2 qualified experts coming forward to dispute Mastriano's findings. So far, no specific dates have been mentioned, but UNB and the investigation committee have 60 days to deliver their findings and recommendations. The key note here being we must wait and see what conclusions, if any, are made. And that's wrap up of this YouTube video. To recap, we talked about UNB's investigation into allegations of academic fraud against a former PhD student, and the 3-member investigation committee appointed by UNB to deliver their recommendations within 60 days. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more updates as information becomes available.